Hi all, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are the first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button in order to stay updated about the most trending technologies. In this video, we will be discussing on data science and machine learning. So, in simple terms, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which provides machines the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed to do so. So, in the sense, it is the practice of getting machines to solve problems by gaining the ability to think. But wait, now, how can a machine think or make decisions? If you feed a machine a good amount of data, it will learn how to interpret and analyze this data by using machine learning algorithm. So, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which provides machines the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So how the machine learning works? So the machine learning begins by feeding the machine lots of data, and by using this data the machine is trained to detect hidden insights and trends. Now these insights are then used to build a machine learning model by using an algorithm in order to solve a problem. So basically you are going to feed a lot of data to the machine, and the machine is going to get trained by using this data. It's going to use this data and it is going to draw useful insights and patterns from it, and then it is going to build a model by using machine learning algorithms. So now this model will help you predict the outcome or help you solve any complex or business problem. So this is a simple explanation how machine learning works. So the most commonly used machine learning algorithm, first of all, algorithm is a set of rules and statistical techniques used to learn patterns from data. And an algorithm, the logic behind a machine learning model of a machine learning algorithm is linear regression. So it is the most simple and basic machine learning algorithm. Next we have a model. Now the model is the main component of machine learning. Model will basically map the input into your output by using machine learning algorithm, and that you are feeding the machine. So basically the model is a representation of the entire machine learning process. So the model has a lot of data, and then it will output a particular result or a particular outcome by using machine learning algorithms. Next we have something known as predictor variable. So predictor variable is a feature of the data that can be used to predict the output. For example, let's say that you are trying to predict the weight of a person depending on the person's height and age. So over here the predictor variable is the height and age of the person, and to predict the person's weight and so the height. So, and the weight on the other hand is the response or the target variable. So response variable is a feature of the output variable that needs to be predicted by using the predictor variables. After that we have something known as training data that is fed to a machine learning model is always split into two parts. First we have training data, and then we have the testing data, and data is basically used to build the machine learning model. So training data is much larger than the testing data, because the machine you are going to feed it a lot of matter. Testing data is just used to validate and evaluate the efficiency of the model. So that was training and testing. So these are a few terms you should know. Now let's move on and discuss about the machine learning process. So first of all, let's define the different stages of the different steps involved in the machine learning process. So machine learning process always begins with defining the objective or defining the problem that you are trying to solve. Next is data gathering or data collection. And now the data that you need to solve this problem is collected at this stage, that is followed by data preparation and or data processing, and after that you have data and data exploration, and the next stage is building a model and a machine learning model. This is followed by model evaluation, and finally you have the prediction or your output. So let's try to understand the process with an example. So our problem statement is to predict the possibility of rain by studying the weather conditions. So you are given a problem statement and you are asked to use a machine learning process to solve this problem statement. So the first step is to find the objective of the problem statement, and our objective here is to predict the possibility of rain by studying the weather conditions. Now in the first stage of machine learning process, you must understand what exactly needs to be predicted. And in our case, our objective is to predict the rain by studying the weather conditions. It is also essential to take notes on what kind of data can be used to solve this problem, or the type of approach to get to the solution. So what are we trying to predict? What are the target variables, or what are the predictor variables, and what kind of input data do we need? So what kind of classification? Is it a binary or a clustering? And if you don't know what classification and clustering, and first step of machine learning process. So this was a brief discussion on machine learning, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.